Welcome. Today we're going to be discussing the eDIRECT function of managing test sessions. By the end of this presentation, you should be able to create a test session and add students to that test session, upload multiple test sessions, copy, edit, and export a test session. A quick overview of the Test Management tab. Test sessions may either be created individually or in an upload for multiple test sessions. Test sessions must be created for both summative and non-summative assessments. Once test sessions are created, students can be added. Test administrators and teachers with a TA number can be linked to a test session. TA numbers are managed through the Test Administrator Management tab. Student groups can also be used to create groups of students to link to a TA for a test session management. Student groups are for non-summative assessments, and that is managed through the Student Groups tab. Detailed directions for test management, test administrator management, as well as student groups can be found in eDIRECT user guide posted in eDIRECT under General Information. To access test session management, first log into eDIRECT, choose All Applications, and then choose Test Management. From there, if you would like to create an individual test session, under the Manage Test Session tab, choose an administration, and click Add Session at the bottom of the screen. From there, the Add Test Session window will display. Enter the required information, and then select Find Students. A list of available students will display. If a student group was selected for non-summative assessments, only students within that student group will display. For individual test sessions from there, you will add students or remove students using the arrows. Click Save when you have finished, or save and add another to continue adding additional test sessions. If instead of adding individually, you would like to upload multiple test sessions, click the Upload Multiple Test Sessions tab, and click the Download File Layout, which is a PDF document, and the Sample File, which is a CSV text file. Enter the test session information into the CSV file using the file layout as a guide. The file layout will indicate what fields are required for each administration. Save the CSV to your computer. From there, you will browse in eDIRECT, find your file, and upload it to eDIRECT. A message will display indicating that the file is in process and being checked for errors. If you happen to have errors after the file has been validated, you must correct the errors, resave the file to your computer, and repeat steps 4 and 5 to browse and then upload into eDIRECT. Copying a test session is something that's helpful because an existing test session can be used as a template to create a new test session. For example, if you have students that are taking Interim 1, you can copy that test session to then again use it for Interim 2. To copy a test session, go back to the Manage Test Session screen, choose Show Sessions, and click the Copy Session icon. The Add Test Session window will display, but that session name will be blank. From there, you'll be able to enter the session name, edit any required information to match your new test session, and then add or remove students or student groups if necessary. From there, click Save to add your changes, or again, save and add another to save your changes and add, or click Cancel to cancel your changes. To edit test session information or assign students and student groups, and this can be done at any point, from the Manage Test Session screen, choose Show Sessions, and then select the View Edit icon. From there, you'll be able to update any information and then click Save. If there's an edit in the testing window, the test tickets will automatically update from here to access the assessment within the adjusted time frame. And if you'd like to export at any point the details of one test session or multiple test sessions, you can view them as an Excel file to save, view, edit, or print in a spreadsheet. To export a single test session from the Manage Test Session screen, choose Show Sessions and click the Export Details icon on the session that you've chosen. An exported spreadsheet for one session will include a roster of the students with their usernames and passwords. If you'd like to export multiple test sessions, choose Show Sessions, select the checkbox next to each test session that you'd like to export, and choose the Export to Excel icon at the bottom. That exported spreadsheet will provide details for each selected session, including the begin and end date. This concludes our overview of the Test Session Management tab. If you need additional support, please reference our user guides posted in eDIRECT under General Information, or follow the technical assistance protocol listed. The DRC Customer Assistance line is there, as well as emailing any questions you may have to assessment@la.gov.